So this was similar to Roberto's trade. We both kind of took it together. I bought up a little bit later, though. I bought up through the prior day's high. Again, just trying to position to be ready for that 300 breakout. For now, it's just a break-even stop. I have a little bit under 290. So this is more than likely going to be like a wash or a break-even trade for me, just because my price wasn't that great off of support. But again, that's just, when we're taking all these support buybacks, they're not always going to work. They're not going to work amazingly. So when they don't, like in this example, I'm okay with losing, breaking even or making a little bit, just because not every single support back is going to work perfectly. The other ones that have worked well so far, Shake going to pull up the ZTS. That was another one that one of the guys was looking to buy through 132. This was one where I was watching to see how it reacted first at 120. We can see, I believe that was on like Wednesday or Thursday, came down in, held it nicely, and I bought up through the prior day, that little doji high. So I bought up through 125. Stop was like 120-ish. And now it's banging on resistance where I don't have to buy up here. Now, if it wants to continue to flag out, they can by all means do that. If it wants to continue higher, I'll still be in. But now, for me, still my break-even stop is at the price I bought it at.
Here's just a common theme where we're seeing so much in all these trades. It's like we're buying when these things aren't looking like A+++. We're buying when it's like I need to see it hold this level so I can get some stock, and then I need it to do the work after. Whereas the newer guys are saying like, oh, the ZTS looks good at 133, where you're probably almost a net seller at this point at 133, like judging from the gap up, whatever it may be. But buying when things are looking ugly, but you're still seeing that rebound is what's really been paying in this market.
Yeah, 100%, and that's even like those two social media questions. They were wanting to buy NVIDIA at literally all-time highs ever.
All-time highs, yeah.
And then mRNA that is up 400 or 500% that Carl's selling into. They're trying to buy when it looks absolutely amazing, and just like you said, we're trying to buy when it's third day down, buying back up, which is a little bit tougher of a trade.
Right.
And the newer trader who tries to do that does the opposite. They try to find the worst name, the Deltas or the Carnival Cruise Lines that are just down so low, and they just try to buy at that perfect price where, like you weren't trying to buy Intel below the support level.
I'd say hold first, and then that gave me the confidence to buy.
Yeah, so like even for like, ZTS, for example, if it got down to 120, I don't want it at 120 because it's probably going to head lower. That's where like a new trader who buys support waits like I'm buying 120, and then eventually it gets there, but when it gets to 120, it goes to 100. And they get stuck in that trade, and it's like, well, now they're just hoping to sell back at 120 in a few months down the road. That's what creates resistance.